bike in the middle of town. Way to go!
See how long until she's shoveling her lung off the snow.
It's not very nice.
Doing a splendid job. You're almost to the door. You let me know when you're ready to switch.
I will.
She's trying to prove a point now. No gloves. Definitely not prepared.
You didn't buy me any. Who's got
I have
gloves
bought
on?
you so many pairs
I'm
of gloves.
shoveling and you got the gloves.
I've bought you many of gloves.
Doesn't matter. I'm already freaking sweating. Okay, switch.
Hey.
You're faster than this. Faster than I am anyways. How's your lungs?
Perfect. I won't cough on camera.
I didn't cough. You're doing so good. Now you're just flying it at me. Bro.
So she can get out.
I don't think she's going anywhere, but
Perfect.
at least I can give her her salad. Here.
Excuse me. What?
What was that?
Oh.
I can't hear you if you knock at the back door.
Enjoy.
Hey, we won.
Did you get your grandma started?
We don't know.
Either, but they didn't figure it out. So.
Well, they said part of her furnace is broke, but he's not a furnace guy, so I don't know whether to believe that or
Yeah.
go out and do my own inspection.
You're our first stop.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
Well, at least I know I can get out if I have to.
Well, you could get out of the house.
Well, that, yeah.
I don't think you're getting to the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful.
All right, see ya.
down. Way to go!
She's not listening to me at all, and gets out with this snow shovel like she thinks it's gonna make a difference. Now, it's not. Now, I'm not a jerk, I'm just saying she's not gonna get anywhere with that snow shovel. Your dad needs to get the snowblower out. That's the only thing that's going to move this. And that, you know what? It might not even.
I know, but I can help.
Literally, a snowblower might not do shit.
I can help him if you want to go help your grandma.
I don't even know if I can get out there, but...
Well, you're going to make the attempt, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, then you might as well do it now.
Okay.
Oh,
Be careful in your boots.
Can you back up and I can grab my water bottle?
Erie PA sucks. Move to Florida. Yeah, you got to deal with hurricanes, but you can't swim in this. Oh, God. Okay.
Love you. Be careful. Please be careful and let me know what's going on.
Well, my only option is Route 5, right?
You can't even get down on Route 5. You're gonna get down there, they're gonna turn you around. You can't get down to Route 5.
You can't go up Gulf Road either, and 426 is blocked.
I don't think you're even gonna get there.
Well, I'll see what happens.
Just please be careful.
Yep.
Please.
Love you.
I love you, so
love you
please
too.
Be careful.
Bye.
Can you let me know?
Sure.
Don't forget about me. You gotta pick me up.
Okay, well, we're gonna attempt to make it 8 miles out to Ripley. My grandma's furnace is broke. We need to go take a look at it. going on, bud?
No idea about the till Buffalo. All still closed.
No idea. I'm literally coming in here. I just got to go 5 miles that way, and I don't know if I can. I live in town here, so yeah. I wouldn't. I've lived here my whole life. My suggestion is don't get on 90.
I live near Niagara Falls in Canada.
Oh,
I'm
on
a
the
Canadian driver.
Okay.
I'm stuck here from I think 6 p.m. last night. I was supposed to be home, but I'm just trying to get the information because I'm trying to log in into 511 PA. It's not very clear actually. They just show the map with the red light. Red line. It's all like red right now.
Well, and the last camera's right here at the interchange here, and there's no traffic. I checked before I left the house. There's no traffic. I'm sure the New York side's still shut down.
Buffalo?
Yeah.
So PA, they open the east side or no?
I don't think it's open. I don't. I mean, I seen video from last night that they were at the Loves down there at the next exit, and they were backed up for miles on 90. I mean, they're probably still getting people off the highway.
Better off here, actually.
If you are parked and there's a shitter in there, stay here. I work on the road too, you know, man.
So much,
yeah,
man.
Absolutely.
Stay safe,
yeah, you too, brother. You're trying to get back to Cleveland, though? Yeah, you got your east and west mixed up.
That's what it's doing too. So keep 20 straight.
I don't think you can get on 79's closed, though.
Is it?
79, 90, and 86 are all shut down.
79, 90, and 86 is shut down?
Yeah, and Route 5.
I just got stuck. I got unstuck from Route 5.
And everybody that's getting unstuck is on 20 right now. They're up Cemetery Road on the other side of town. It's just a line of 18s coming off of it going that way, so... Maybe you got fuel, you can run your car. What I would do and what I would suggest is two different things. The Red Roof Inn, I know the Holiday Inn was booked up, and get on the phone, get on Google and call them over there. They might. Yeah. Yeah, I've never stayed there, but T's a good guy. That place is okay, isn't it? Yeah. If you can stay safe, I would stay safe, because you're just going to end up, at least here you have food, a bathroom, and everything else. If you end up anywhere west of here, there's really nowhere for you to go. Till what? Ashtabula? Yeah. It's bad. I've been trying to get to my grandma's all day. Her furnace went out at 5 a.m., so... somebody's got it all blocked up down there, stuck in the road, so they're just piling up deeper and deeper. It's easier to turn around here than down there.
Is it before the stop sign?
Yes, they're in the freaking curve down there by the guardrail. Are you from here?
No.
Oh, yeah, you're not gonna go, at least not for a while.
I tried taking the 20 and the dude said the bridge was out.
Yeah, the gorge right here, that's been out for a year. You know, it's Pennsylvania. It's going to take 3 years to build a 200-foot span of a bridge.
Okay,
So
I'm gonna go around the other way then.
You from here?
No, Buffalo.
Well, no, I mean from here. If you can't get to 5, 20's closed, and 90, the ramp's not even plowed. It's shut down. So
So what about if I take Middle Road?
you're on Middle Road now.
Yeah, if I take Middle Road down to Dewey Road, and then the 5 from Dewey.
I'm making an attempt to go over there right now, but it's I live a mile that way on the corner of Middle Road, and the National Guard was down there an hour ago. So, yeah, good luck.
Yeah. Yay.
It's all wedged up. You ain't gonna get down there. Can you get to 5?
It's all boogered up down there.
All right. Turn around while you can. We're not going to get to 5. You can't get to 5. Nope.
Oh, that's what that guy said.
Just spent 6 hours shoveling this thing by hand. Oh man, I'm tired. Just kidding, I didn't do any of that. None at all. None at all. This isn't shovel work, this is heavy equipment work. I mean, in general, there's, if you look at the flat spot of the driveway, that's gotta be 32, 36 inches maybe. At least in the flat spots. Plus you got to account, we get a lot of wind here. It's very windy, so a lot of the snow that falls blows away and it's hard to get a good measurement on it. But we got 3 feet, I would say. That's my guess. I don't know what the Weather Channel is gonna say, but the sun is poking out back there for a second. But you can see over the lake, it is dark again, and that means there's still bands out there. It's just where the bands are sitting on the lake, and then when they decide to drop south, that's when they come ashore, and then we're right in the band, and that's when we get dumped on. They just sit here and just keep hammering. So I didn't do too much shoveling, just a little bit, but I gotta go get our cars brushed off and kind of unburied. I don't think our plow guy's made it there yet, but when he does get there, it'd be nice to be able to pull all the cars out real quick and let him open us up and then be able to pull in the park. So I think that's what we're gonna do for the next 30 minutes. There's got it. Oh, I couldn't reach the top of the snow on top of my car there with the snow brush, and I think I got a 6-foot snow brushes. So yeah, it's fun. Erie PA. Welcome to our world. that was nice. I was going to do that when I got home.
Isn't that sweet?
That was sweet. It's the fun out of having fun. Ditch kitty.
Want any seasoning?
That's a PD. It's a PD. It's a PD. Oh, it's a PD. It's a PD boy. It's a PD boy. Oh. Ditch kitty. Yep. Mm-hmm.